Hey Cole, how are you?
Great, how you doing?
Great, thanks for having me today.
Yeah, great to see you again.
Yeah, thanks. I've heard you're expanding your fleet of boats, so
Yes, we are. We're
more
on,
AEDs.
yeah, we got 4 more new boats added onto our fleet.
That's great.
Yes,
That's awesome.
Staying busy, yes ma'am.
I love it. So I know last time we spoke, you chose AED 3, and we'll go over a few reasons why you did.
Okay.
And I'm glad you did, by the way.
Yeah.
And then we're going to talk about, I brought today the tracks, which we're going to go out and get to demo it. So
Yeah.
we'll be able to show you a real live tracking of this.
Yeah.
Of course, we'll keep all your fishing secrets safe, okay?
Yeah, not taking any of my good fishing spots.
All right, that sounds good. We won't tell anyone. But I wanted to say, I know you chose the Zoll, and a huge thing for the reason why you went with Zoll was because of our real CPR feedback. That's huge for you. I know when you're out in the water, your emergency response time is a lot different, correct?
Safety is everything to anything like that.
Okay. And then I know the pediatric one was huge because you have a lot of families on your bigger
A lot
boat.
of kids, yes. A lot of kids love fish. They love it.
Oh, that's awesome. Okay. So what I want to talk about is our AED tracks with program management combined, right?
Mhm.
When you have these programs together, it allows you for centralized visibility.
Yeah.
It allows automatic alerts. So it's going to let you know if this has been pulled. I know we have Pelican cases for all your vessels, correct? So pretty funny, right? And so we know when you pull this out of your Pelican case, it's going to alert you, but whoever you also want, whatever captains you need to know, then you have on your program management system, right?
Yes, right?
And then it's going to give you that readiness status. So you always know it's ready, correct?
Correct.
And then it's going to also in event data. So if there was ever an event, you're able to pull it off, and you'll have all that recording all in combined, which I'm going to show you later when we get back from our demo off the boat, into the reporting system that shows you your program management dashboard. Okay, great. Also, it's going to let you know if your pads and batteries are expiring, if your battery is low, if you have any environmental issues, all these things. That's what can be done with tracks added to your unit.
Very good.
Okay. I know that when you're out and you're investing in Zoll 83 with the full program management, right?
Right.
It's not just a safety decision. It's a grateful one because you could be 40, 50 miles out.
You know, you're right. Sometimes the run down the bathroom, we fish Mansfields, we fish Kingsville down there. The run can get up to at least 70 miles in some cases, to where we have to go tunnel fish. And that is a long ways away from any response time, from Coast Guard, it takes game warning, anything like that. So having these on board on vessels for us is very important to the physical safety of our clientele.
That's great. So would you agree with me that your crew becomes a responder and your device becomes the difference?
Yes, 100%.
All right. Well, let's go out and give it a try. How about that? Let's
Yes.
show you what this tracks unit can do.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. All right. All right. So here we go. We're going to go out and demo our tracks unit, and it's going to show us where we're all around. Oh, we just had some dolphins go by. Look at that. All right, Cole. Well, thank you so much for taking me on the boat. Let me show you the tracks. I really appreciate it. And just remember that whether you have 10, 20, or 100 vessels, this tracks device will let you always know what your vessels are doing in real time, right? So anytime it's deployed out of that Pelican case, like I said before, it's going to let you know by that program management and with this tracks unit that there has been a rescue that's happening, or you understand on each vessel, so the safety of your clientele.
Yeah, and we want to thank y'all for everything y'all do. To me, myself, I'm a rock builder, shopping fishing pools.
Okay.
And I want to do a little something for you. So this year, I've created a Zoll rod for y'all.
Oh my gosh, I love it. Let's check that out. Oh wow, look at the end. Anything can happen and anyone can help. Thank you so much,
Thank you. I
Cole.
appreciate everything y'all do.
I appreciate you.
Yes, ma'am.